Hi guys, we're back with another video on some more gunship sequel World War II, and we're gonna be doing some stuff which I haven't done really on this game. We're gonna do some bombing. Well, we're gonna go do some dog fights. We're probably gonna shoot down a few enemy canisters of fun planes, and we're gonna go to the arcade and get started on. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Like I said, go check out War Thunder in the last video, and also go check out this game. And let's get back onto the video. So basically, I'm just gonna be doing some dog fights. I may get in my canisters of fun plane once, but I may just be doing dog fights. So I'm right here. And when I checked out my other video, I couldn't even hear myself. I was going way too fast. I was going over the speakers, so you guys couldn't really hear me at all. So I'm try not to do that. And if that happens again, guys, sorry, I can't do anything about that except just not try to hit the speakers. So we're here and we got our plane. And you can see there's a carrier down there. I might do some crashes on this. Some failed takeoffs and all that. Just to entertain you guys. And make sure that subscribe button and smash that like button. Or maybe just get your favorite, get your favorite plane and crash it right into that subscribe button and that like button for more videos. It really does help my channel, and it really does mean a lot to me. And we got our first enemy coming up to us right here, and I can't really see him, but I see him. There's two of them. There's two of them now, guys. We're about to get some dog fights now. So, and I am recording in a different area. I'm recording in my living room, so it's very noisy. Then we got an enemy coming hot. But I got a back because if I didn't have a back I would be a smashed pancake. Oh, my black PP was shooting at him. We're in some dog fights now. Alright. I'm trying not to hit that speaker. Where is he? I don't know where he is. He's behind me, isn't it? No, he's under me. Oh, now there's two of you. Oh crap, I'm gonna be dead. I'm gonna be a smashed pancake. A smashed plain pancake. Ah! I'm hit! Bail out! Bail out! We have to bail out! We have to bail out! Yeet! There goes our plane. Whoa, that was cool. That was cool, guys. Okay, we're gonna actually try to do it this time, and mainly why YouTubers get so caught up and they lose focus is probably because all the YouTubers are getting so distracted on talking. So I'm gonna try not to talk so much, and I don't know why I said that I'm talking so much, but now it's in here and yep, loading. So we should be getting flight. Yep. You guys can hear me perfectly fine. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. And also, like I said, go check out this game and check out War Thunder. And like I said, it can be played on PC. And this game can be played on PC, but not Xbox One or PS4. But this game right here can be played on PC, I think. But go check out War Thunder. It can be played on PC, PS4, and some other game, and I think some other stuff. I don't know. And then also Xbox One. So make sure you go check it out. It's a very fun game. I used to play War Thunder like every single day. I used to play War Thunder. Wait, what do you mean reloading? I was not on my .05 caliber machine pew. I wasn't on it. I was on my canisters of fun. Wow. Now he can be going destroying my ships. And why didn't I say the actual chip? No, that's the thing you eat. What the heck? Oh, now there's a Japanese Zero on me. Why don't they got to deal with him, Bigless DSO? Oh, yep, he just exploded. Great. Could have got a nice shoot down right there. Could have shot him with my pew-pew, but nope. Them stupid chips have to take me. Have to take him. I don't know why I said me. Oh, that carrier is low. He's on. That carrier, if you guys can see, is on 31%. No? Yeah, that's a destroyer. Oh. Oh! He's going down. Not because of me, but someone else. Okay, we're still trying to go. See you guys when I get halfway there. Well, guys, before I get halfway there, I just wanted to, I put it on autopilot. I want to check out this cockpit. The gears actually move. You can see I'm pushing the throttle up, and you can see right there. Look. Bleep. See, they actually have moving gears and stuff. What is that? Oh, I think that's like something that goes to the brake, I guess. What the heck is that on the wing? Oh, that's I guess, don't have internet back then, so couldn't be, crap, not my view. Now my view's messed up. Oh. No, it's just I was backwards. Okay, for real this time, we're gonna try to take. I hate Japanese Zeros. Crap. I literally hate Japanese Zeros. So stupid. Wait, what? Oh, not this again. Every time I get back, it just asks me that. Dismiss. We're gonna go to our teach tree. Get something else. That's even better. It has even more firepower on it. It's this big baby. Has two. Wait, what? It has two 5 times .30 machine pew-pews firing 35 bullets a minute and is loaded in 5.56. Can tear a plane to pieces. Totally not at all. That is not what kind of bullet that takes. I am so stupid. But we're gonna go for the arcade like always, cause we're gonna just put some canisters of fun everywhere. I heard that there were some ships in here, and we're gonna give them some fun. And they're not gonna have the fun that I am. Oh, they're gonna be sunk. So now we have to get through here. Where are the enemies? Not that them. That has to be them. Well, yep, that was them. That was them. I just guessed. I literally guessed it. Why am I so good? I'll see you guys when I get there. Oh crap. Wait, that's a British Spitfire. Why is he shooting at me? He's supposed to be on my team because that guy's a Spitfire, which that's a British plane. And I'm getting torn up. My pew-pewers need to shoot way better. My wing is on fire. Okay, apparently, guys, the game needs to know that that's a Spitfire. And I'm in a British plane, too. So, I don't know what's wrong with that. Because he's a Spitfire. He's a Spitfire, which is supposed to be on the British team. And I'm on the British team, too. So he's basically, it's like someone just hijacked it that were on the enemy team and just drove off with it and shot me down. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you in the next one.